guys, so it's a new week and I look like trash and I kind of feel like it too, but I'm going to go continue car shopping today. I'm just going to go look at that one car my mother wanted us to look at, but it's just me and my dad going because mum's working today. But yeah, no makeup today. I just like so tired and I don't feel like wearing it right now. I wish I had the energy to put it on, but I don't. I've got a long work week ahead, so I'm already tired from the weekend because I work weekends, which is always fun. But yeah, this is just a cash fit. Nothing great. I don't think I'll really vlog much today, but yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys an update, start this vlog. So I just got back from looking at that car my mother wanted us to look at, and I think I might get it. I'll put like a little hold deposit on it so I can think about it. The only thing that's getting me is that it's still pricey and more than I initially wanted to spend on a car, especially on my first car. But I am 25 now, so usually by now people are buying their second cars. So yeah, and also it's not the color I want. Like it's white, but then it's got like an emerald. It's called, they call the color emerald. It's like a bluey green color roof and mirrors. So it's only like a little bit of the color that I don't want. Like I wish it would either had like black or red roof and mirrors. But I'm glad that it is like mainly white because that's what I wanted. But I didn't really want the emerald. But I'm thinking maybe I can get it wrapped. Maybe some company somewhere may wrap it. I don't know. But I think I'll just get it because it's on a really good deal. It's like $7,000 off. And if I wait for a new color to come in, then I don't get it on that deal. Even if I like get the payment done and all that. I will keep you guys updated on that situation. Yeah, I don't know. I know I'm so indecisive. It's not a bad color. Like it could be worse, but it's not me. But I do love the car. The car is great. So yeah, I think I'm going to get it, but yeah. Acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, I spill milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another vow, give me another hour or two, hour or two. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Okay, so I'm currently getting ready because I am going to get a car. And I'm literally wearing the same outfit I wore in my last vlog when I was car shopping because, you know what, it's a cute fit and I didn't get any photos in it. And obviously I'm going to be taking photos today, picking up my car. So, re-wearing it. Now I'm just getting ready. Anyway, I'm going to get that car that I was looking at with my dad the other day. It is the Citroen C3. As I said, it's not the exact color I want, but it's fine because it's on a really good deal and it's got a lot of safety features and things like that. Yeah, it's a cute little car. It's definitely my vibe. It's a French car, so French car for a fashion girl just makes sense. But no, it's a really good car and I'm excited to finally start driving and stuff. I still don't have my full license, but now that I have a car, or I'm about to get a car, or I'm about to have a car, I'll be able to drive and get my full license ASAP. So, yay. guys, so it is the next day. It may look like it's the same day because I'm wearing the same outfit again. I've just changed some of my jewelry. Yeah, we're gonna go out to take like nice photos by the beach with the car. So yeah, I picked up the car yesterday and then I didn't get to talk to you guys because we went out with some family relatives last night for Christmas kind of thing. Now we're about to go out, hence why I'm wearing the exact same outfit, because it's cute and I want photos in it. I just might wear a different bag and different shoes as what I did yesterday, but I'm still not decided yet, and we literally have to leave in like 5 minutes. So yeah, but that's the update. The car is cute. I'll film more of it today and show you more, because yesterday we were just very much in a hurry because we had to go out to dinner with our relatives. But anyway, I want to wear these bad boys today. The Travis Scotts. They're literally my favourite shoes. Now, I just don't know which bag to wear because, as I've said in previous videos, I don't have a full length mirror. So I cannot see what my outfit looks like, which is amazing. So I really want to wear this one because I haven't worn it yet. And I've been like dying to wear it. And I think it matches my outfit really good. I just don't know how much it really matches with the shoes. And that's my little dilemma. Or else I've got the diesel bag, which is obviously really cute and matches my shoes. But because my car is a French car, I'm being so bougie right now, but because my car is a French car, I wanted to wear like a French brand to like suit the car. So if I wear this bag, I might have to wear my Christian Dior sneakers, which is literally the same outfit I wore yesterday. But I don't know, I'm not decided. I really want to wear these sneakers too, and I really want to wear this bag, but I don't know how good it looks all together because, as I said, I don't have a full-length mirror. Like, the thing is, they're neutrals, so obviously they match, but I'm like, does this look better, you know, with the Dior shoes and even with these shoes? I don't know. I'm just being bougie, so.
Don't take it personal, baby. Up on my lady, up to my lady. Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left.